goals of further deepening people-to-people exchanges and cultural cooperation through academic linkages, youth engagement, and cultural initiatives. I briefed His Excellency on Pakistan's rich Buddhist heritage and highlighted the potential of religious tourism as a means to strengthen cultural ties and promote greater connectivity between our peoples. Pakistan supports a peaceful, stable, and prosperous Myanmar. We are confident that Myanmar can play a very positive role in creating regional reconciliation, shared prosperity and development for all. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to share that following our discussions, we have signed a memorandum of understanding on political
और म्यांमार के वज़ीर ख़ारिजा थान सूबे की मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस
दो तरफा उमूर पर तफसीली तबादला
of our very frank and detailed discussions. We look forward to continued engagement to further strengthen Pakistan-Myanmar relations. I thank you all. Over to you, Excellency.
Thank you, colleagues. Very good, Pratim and Mingalawa. As I am so delighted to be here, as I have the opportunity to strengthen and enhance our bilateral cooperations and also for the multilateral cooperations between the two countries. Historically and traditionally, we have a very good friendly relationship between the two countries, especially I think our two countries as one country and another British colonial rule for centuries, 1 century. So that's the things that we have always struggled together. We try to overcome the challenges with friendship. Actually, I think in the beginning of the independence, we are two great leaders, Mohamed Ali Jinnah and General Aung San, are closely working together for the independence of our respective countries. For we are all the successive governments of our two countries, following their wisdoms and also leaderships, we maintain our relationships for this year marked the 78th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. Luckily, I have a chance to come here, and also by the invitations of your Excellency Honorable Senator, the Prime Minister and Foreign Minister. So we have had many good discussions, fruitful discussion, very openly and friendly. Particularly for the bilateral relationship, we need to enhance all sectorial cooperation in the future, trade, business, investments, and also for the cultural, military to military, and also many areas we like to, scientific area. So I think we intend to send a bigger delegation to Pakistan to find the opportunity which area we can do work together for the mutually benefited sort of long-term friendly relationships. Definitely, I believe that our meeting today paves the way for our future cooperation. So this is a very frankly and openly, we signed a Foreign Office consultation arrangement. So we intend to sign this many MOU and agreement between the two countries, particularly for the economic cooperation, not only the political cooperations, also the trade and business, for the investments. We also wish to sign many MOU for the promotion and protection of trade and of investments. And at the same time, to avoid the double taxation or that kind of things, have to facilitate the business community, not only the government-to-government cooperation. We expected to have the more cooperation between the business-to-business and also people-to-people contact. It can be strengthens our relationship and promote our relationship in the future. Normally, after these meetings, we have we raise many things to seek the opportunity from both sides. We might have a lot of economic opportunity in the country. For example, in the oil and gas area, Recently, we met one offshore gas reserve. Government reserve of 25 trillion cubic foot. It's the biggest one in our region. So. But operator from Canadian company, so he got the operator in this business. He recently announced a 96 trillion oil reserve of the offshore business. So that's why energy sectors are very promising. And also it's a very potential country for Myanmar is at the center of the global big markets. And you might see in our 5 neighbors, they're all together 3.2 billion people are residing in our 5 neighbors, India, China, Bangladesh, Thailand, and Laos. Apart from that, only that we are very close to the ASEAN community. If you combine this ASEAN community, as the population is about 4 billion. That's why I think we are at the center of the biggest market in the world. That's why we like to invite investors and business people to come and see, to come and study about the opportunity for the cooperation between the two countries. At the same time, we also expected to have many historical heritage in both countries. We like to set it up sign the sister city programs, and also like to create some kind of tourism between the two countries to understand each other. Actually, I think, as I said, mentioned in the past beginning, our two countries after one country was one country in the past. That's why we have the many Pakistani community of many my old young friends and also from the Pakistani origin. So that's why I think we are very harmoniously living together. That's why I think sometimes if we cannot meet each other, so it can misunderstandings based on the fabricated information. I'd like to invite all you to come to Myanmar and see what the real situation of the country. At this moment, I think we have some kind of conflicts and challenges, but you can look at that no foreign citizens are killed during the 4 or 5 years. Along my life, I think there's only 2 foreign citizens that are killed by conflicts. One is in 1969, one Chinese, one is in 2007, one's a Japanese reporter who involved in the public riots. Apart from that, not only the armed security forces, also our people are protecting, favor the foreign citizen. That's why we have no story of foreign citizen casualty in our country. That's why I'd like to ask you to come and see, and also to try to find the opportunity for the investment and trade. So we also want to make many products from the Pakistan. So that's the things. People to people contact, business to people, business contact can improve our relations and to stronger friendly relationship. That's why I thank you so much for giving an opportunity to share our view on today. We have the many areas. We cannot finish all our talk within the limited time. So we will share some information to the respective departments and concerned community, what the opportunity in Myanmar, what we wish to do in the future. We respect and regard our colleagues here. That's why, finally, I wish you all the best, and also for the good health and success in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. This concludes the press takeout. Thank you for everybody for attending. Thank you very much.
आपको बताते चलें, इस्लामाबाद में नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद इसहाक़ डार और म्यांमार के वज़ीर ख़ारिजा थोन सेवी की मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस मुस्तक़बिल में एक दूसरे के तजुर्बात से फ़ायदा उठाएंगे।